Copy trading is often advertised as easy money, but what's the real truth? In this video, we present the truth about copy trading. We'll explain what works, what doesn't, and how traders are using Luma Exchange to profit responsibly. Copy trading is not magic or guaranteed profit. It works when done with the right strategy and the right platform. Many beginners fail because they blindly copy without understanding risk or performance. Beginners often make the biggest mistake. They choose platforms with poor transparency, slow execution, and questionable stats. This makes platform choice even more critical than the trading strategy. Let's talk about Luma Exchange. It's a legitimate platform I've used personally to profit. Luma Exchange offers real trader statistics, risk controls, and advanced tools. These features benefit both beginners and experienced traders. Transparency makes Luma Exchange stand out in binary and AMP copy trading. Now let's discuss how profits are actually made. Success requires discipline and strategy on Luma Exchange. Traders succeed by copying consistent, low-risk traders. They also use proper capital allocation and avoid emotional decisions. Trusting data helps guide their trading choices. This disciplined approach allows beginners to make profits. The future of binary and AMP copy trading is bright. It belongs to platforms that focus on automation, education, and transparency. Luma Exchange is paving the way by making smart trading accessible for everyone. If you want to experience copy trading correctly, check out Luma Exchange. Discover the same methods that helped me profit in crypto. Right finger, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Join us for more honest guides and insights into the future of binary and AMP copy trading.